and Pain Velasco.
Thank you so much for your continued support dito sa ating K3 Festival. Okay, Miss Coraline.
Nandiyan na ba ang ating special judge?
Okay.
Kanina.
Bago na po lang nagparapol na lang.
Ako na rin yung raffle. Okay. May we ask for
Sa puti lang po.
Nandito yung Marshall. Pag hindi po sa amin na lang po ang ticket.
Meron po tayong ano ba?
Ang biolo? Ikaw ang iikot, hindi sa'yo iikot ka. Okay, try mo. Oh.
Alam, 21% na lang.
May we request,
Richard mo ba? Richard.
Sorry, dito po tayo to help us with our raffle.
Para pang matagalan pa.
Mamimigay lang tayo ng dalawang major prizes at mamaya tatlong grand prizes.
Ha?
Yes. Paano po natin?
Hindi na makiuhaya, no? Sa kanya yan.
Parang yung listener.
Nung pumunta ko,
Yes.
Magandang po sa ating lahat. Meron po tayong pagpapilingin na dalawang major prize. Tapos mamaya po, pag-dating po ng ating panahon panulan sa segment drop, magbibigay po tayo ng tatlong grand prizes.
Oo, marami mga
Kaya po, dalawang major prize. Dapat po, nandito kayo. Ang ating pagpapilingin po ay gamit po yung app na Wheel of Names, randomizer po ito. Lahat po na nag-register ngayong araw, na nandito po kayo ay pwedeng manalo. Ito po ang panalo po ngayon ay si Miss Mary Ann Simbahon Tumago.
Miss Mary Ann, major presence known. May time limit po ba, Consul?
Palawan
Pwede
na
po natin ito nandito.
Miss Mary Ann,
Miss Mary Ann Simbahon Tumago.
Kaya mo na yan.
Nandito po ba?
wala po. Nandito po? Dancer po siya. Okay, thank you for letting us know. Dancer po siya. Consul, paano po ba yun?
Okay, sorry kasi nandito siya.
Okay, tama naman po kayo doon. Okay. Pino-confirm lang po namin. Ayan po siya. Ayun po ba? Okay, as you know, your safety is our priority. Lakad lang po, wala pong time limit.
Okay, excited na po tayo sa inyong performance.
Alam mo, excited na po kayo sa prize nyo. Wait ako, meron po kayo ID lang po. No ID, no entry.
Oh, yun lang. Pag wala kang ID.
Nasa tag po. Paano po? Ano po? Ano na lang po? Face value.
Doon na lang po sa kunin niyo po sa ating booth doon.
Maraming salamat po. Pasensya po at pinagod po namin kayo.
Good luck po sa inyong performance.
Okay.
Next winner po. Ito po ang second na panalo major prize, Miss Melody Pascasio Sotero.
Miss Melody. Ayun, ang bilis. Yan ang sinasabi.
Kayo po yan?
Kayo po, may ID ba sila?
Voice lang. Excited pero voice lang.
Yes po. Alam mo lang. Ano po ba papadali na sila? Consul?
Major prize po yung voucher at saka
Wow! Oh my goodness! Bakit hindi niyo po kami nito-consul bago po kayo nagpapakita?
baka sa inyo sa kayong nanalo dito.
Tama naman. Fair. May
Miss
nasa
Melody Sotero, good po po kayo sa inyong mga pumalo. Congratulations po. Mamaya po, meron po tayo ng grand prizes.
2,000 po ba yun?
1,000 po plus mobile phone.
Matagal po ba?
Saka yung round trip airfare from Paris.
Ay, galing. Thank you so much, Consul.
Mamaya po ulit.
Ayan. Generous ng Philippine Consulate.
Maraming salamat po, Consul.
Worth it naman pala yung tinakbo ni Madam.
So yung mga nag-register pala kanina,
Yeah.
ano na siya, electronic na pala ang raffle.
Yes, hindi na
Kasi dati, nasanay kami ang buhay,
Hindi pwede pa naman din yun, but you know, we adapt accordingly, no?
So yung mga mananalo, ay yung mga nandito, huwag po tayo aalis kasi baka may chance na kayong manalo ng tatlong bride prizes. And
Cash
of
prize
course,
and also plane ticket.
yes, Hong Kong and New Hong Kong ata, of course, are donated by Philippine Airlines.
Alright, ready na po ba tayo? Medyo masama na po ang tingin sa akin ng ating mga contestants. Thank you for bearing with us. We appreciate you so much.
Hindi ko lang alam eh. Mayroon pa dito sa kape.
Ready na
Marami
sila?
pa
Okay.
dito. Ang ano talaga lang dito, ang problema yung may mga curfew. Yun lang ang mahirap.
Kuya Leo,
Hindi na po.
ito na ang ating pinakahihintay na Special Board of Judges. A new leader is taking the helm of the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, or OWA. A lawyer by profession, she obtained her bachelor's degree in management of financial institution from De La Salle University before taking up law at the University of the Philippines. Formerly the managing partner at Kahuna Law Office in Makati City.
Ayan yung mga dancers, guys.
Civil, administrative, and criminal
Galaw-galaw
law.
natin to. Baka may stroke.
Currently, our OWA administrator, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big
Galaw-galaw ka? Galaw-galaw nga na, may stroke nga na.
Maingat na maulan.
Oo.
Maraming salamat. PY for raising the event again. Okay, I think ready ang ating mga performers. Isang glance lang yung story sa ating criteria for the event.
Kapagod pag tayo, no? Nung nakaraan din, ganyan kami.
Sorry, but we appreciate you.
Kahit umuulan din nung nakaraan, sige lang.
Okay, our criteria for judging, again, choreography and performance, 40%, team in the costume, 35% costume, and prop, 25% with dress.
100%. I think we're now ready. Judges, ready? So I think of course, our first participant was originating in Bacolod City since 1980. During the period of deep economic crisis, mass means multitude of people, and cara, a Spanish word, means face. Even though mascara was a non-religious patron celebration, it has grown into the most largest celebration and cultural events in the Philippines. The Festival of Stars was specifically designed as a symbol of resilience and community determination to overcome grief and survive adversity. Its iconic features was the use of a smiling mask, colorful costume, and fabulous head dresses. We, as an OFW, are much related to this festival that in spite of our hardship and pain being afar from our family, we try to stand and smile. We'll bring in this world of Fiona and Fauna, inspiring and concept, celebrating the rich biodiversity of Negros and Bacolod, featuring the floral motifs and ways mimicking endangered life of Visaya. Karina, isuksok ang maskara kag magsinadya. Ladies and gentlemen, let's start the festival from Kabisi Society Hong Kong! It's moving Bacolod! the basic society